Yeah, I don't know what this noise is. I guess it's a bird? I don't really know, but I think it's coming from this bush. It's the 13th of June, and maybe it's coming from this tree. That's one thing about being hearing impaired, is I have no way to know where sounds are coming from. I can hear it, but I can't tell you where it's from at all, even if it's pretty much in front of my nose. So maybe you guys can figure it out. Oh wait, I think I know now, maybe? Thinking maybe it's those birds, possibly? Oh shit. Right there. Right there. Maybe. I don't know. That little bird. I don't know how it could make such a loud noise. But there's another bird right there. I can't see it because he's in the trees, but I think it's a bird for sure. Anyway, oh, it is. Now I can see the little birdie. Okay, good. Finally, I can see his mouth. It's right there. Oh, he moved. Okay, yay, mystery solved. Mystery solved, yay.